Hi guys, it's Robin the Lady Biker. I'm here today to talk to you about a really sexy subject. Motorcycle maintenance. Ladies, it is so important for us to learn what we need to know to maintain our bikes properly, not just to make them look good, but to ensure that they're going to be running safely and well for years and years to come. One of the best places to start as you're starting to invest your time into learning about your bike, and I've been guilty of this, I never read the owner's manual. But this has a wealth of information that tells you everything from your fluid levels to the kinds of fluid that need to go into your engine and your transmission, what tires you should have and how much you should air them up, what kind of air cleaner and how to pull off the covers to check for it. All the basic stuff that we as bike owners need to be able to just do the simple maintenance and monitoring. How to look for wear on our tires, which will probably be a whole other segment in and of itself. But these are the things that we should learn just to own our bikes and to keep things so that we have a base knowledge. Now, if you're one of those that has a little bit bigger or deeper knowledge or wants to even have the knowledge, the next thing I would highly recommend investing in is a service manual. This book has anything and everything you would need to know about maintaining your bike, fixing your bike, modifying your bike. All the information that you need is going to be in this thing. It's a little expensive, but it's worth the investment. And speaking of investments, invest in the tools, the basic tools that you're going to need to do the things that you're capable of depending on not only your skill level, but where you live. Because some of us live in apartments and you don't have the space to do a lot. Others have the space in a garage where they can have a little bit more and do a little bit more. So take the time and make the investment in the tools that you need to maintain your bike for where you live and how you ride. Now, maintenance. As far as your scheduled maintenance, this is so important. To find out not only when you should have certain services done, but what services need to be done. Because these are really, the manufacturer designs the bike to run for a long time when it's properly maintained. And those major maintenance cycles are critical. And with that being said, find a shop or a mechanic you can trust. Because ladies, we've all had that experience, and you know the one I'm talking about, where you've walked into a shop to talk to a mechanic and you get the look. We all know it. So finding a shop that you know that you can trust and use them. Now for me, it's a little bit of a drive. I have to drive a little over an hour, but the Simi Valley Harley-Davidson shop in Simi Valley, or in Moore Park, California, they have been phenomenal. Anything and everything that I expect of them, they have met or exceeded. So for me, those are the guys that I trust when I need to have work done on my girl. So find that mechanic that you can trust and then start asking questions. And they're not dumb questions. Ask them, learn. Because the more you know about your bike, the better it's going to be and the longer it's going to run. So with that said, with a strong bike, running well, get out and ride, have fun, be safe, and see you soon.